Different levels of the atmosphere, and on Friday it was pretty high up, but today definitely looking hazier, and anytime the smoke starts to impact visibility, you can bet that that smoke is a little lower in the atmosphere, which does have a larger impact on our air quality. Today and tomorrow considered moderate, but that smoke advisory lasts through at least Thursday for Clark County, and you can see a whole lot of it up and down the west coast, and it really is painting the sky for a lot of the western half of the country. As we zoom in, we also have a little cloud cover over the higher elevations, but it's really this thin haze that you can see on the satellite here that this is the smoke sweeping through, and we expect that to stick with us through at least Thursday. Some breezier wind picking up moving into Friday could help to clear out our air quality a little bit moving into the end of the week. Right now 98 degrees at McCarran, 99 for Nellis and Henderson, same for Boulder City, 92 in Summerlin. As we move into your Monday night, expect the hazy conditions to continue, but we are clear in terms of high cloud cover. Temperature will drop back into the upper 80s by 9 p.m. with overnight lows in the mid 70s tonight in Las Vegas ahead of tomorrow morning. Upper 60s for Pahrump and Primm, low 70s for Mesquite and Overton. Tomorrow's high looks like we'll climb another degree or so compared to today's high temperature. So 102 for Mesquite, 96 for Primm, 100 degrees, the forecast high tomorrow in Las Vegas. So that's about 5 degrees above the seasonal average. And as we move into the end of the week, well, really Wednesday, Thursday, we're actually going to see temperatures 8 degrees above average. But this is that next change that we were just talking about. An area of low pressure going to swing into the Pacific Northwest. That'll pick up the breeze for us, and it nudges this ridge of high pressure a little further east, which will allow for temperatures to drop back to the upper 90s for this weekend. Hopefully that will also bring us some cleaner air. It'll all depend on the wind direction. Now on the other side of the country, the primary threat going to be the tropics. Right now the Atlantic Basin has 5 active tropical systems. Well, Renee, that's just remnants, so things are starting to fall apart. But Sally, of course, is our focus as it takes aim at the Gulf Coast. We do expect to landfall sometime tomorrow, and the problem with Sally is how slow it's going to move, which is why the threat for flooding is so much higher with this one than some other storms that we track. A Category 2 hurricane, of course, going to cause problems in terms of wind, but with storm surge and a slow moving rain event, we're going to look at the potential for significant flooding through portions of the northern Gulf Coast. For us, we could use a raindrop, that's for sure. The dry pattern holds. We're looking at triple-digit heat for most of the week.